With a range of intelligent features, this induction hob from Hotpoint is perfect if you want a contemporary model for effortless cooking. There are 4 induction zones for safe and responsive cooking that can accommodate pans of different sizes, perfect whether you're cooking a little or a lot. If you want more space on your induction hob, Hotpoint's FlexiPro feature will increase the size of your cooking zone. With a simple touch of the controls, you can select 2 zones at the same time and have one big cooking area, perfect for large pans or woks. Then choose the power level using the slider. So you'll always have the space you need to create large batches of bolognese or lots of smaller dishes for your hungry guests. This model has incredible automatic programs that take the guesswork out of cooking your meals. Simply choose whether you're melting, boiling, or simmering, and the hob then cleverly adapts the power levels to suit your cooking needs. Now it only takes a touch of a button to get that delicious stew simmering to perfection. If you're looking for an induction hob with a range of intelligent features for effortless cooking, this contemporary model from Hotpoint is the one for you.